What's the meaning of brainwashing? Brainwashing. Brainwashing.
Brainwashing. Brainwashing. Brainwashing refers to the process through which an individual's beliefs, values, and attitudes are modified or replaced by a different set of ideas or beliefs. It often involves the use of coercive techniques that aim to induce a person to adopt a particular viewpoint, often against their will. As a result of brainwashing, individuals can become highly susceptible to suggestion and may demonstrate a significant shift in their worldview, behaviors, and even personality. Brainwashing is often associated with cults, political indoctrination, and propaganda campaigns, and can have long-lasting effects on an individual's mental and emotional well-being.